Hi, my name is Daniel Mamona. I'm a student at EIT. I'm studying DP 13 Plant for Engineering, Advanced Plant for Engineering. Today, I'm going to talk about this topic, environmental challenges in South Africa. The focus of this topic will be on water scarcity and pollution. This presentation, we have the following topic content. We're going to talk about the introduction, background on South Africa's environmental landscape, water scarcity in South Africa, impact of water scarcity, water pollution, consequences of water pollution, government and policy responses, solutions and recommendations, conclusions. Today, South Africa is challenging in terms of water scarcity as known everywhere in the world. Then we've got numerous environmental challenges with water scarcity and pollution among the most pressing. So in this presentation, we're going to explore what are the issues and the causes and the impact, and also what are the potential solutions to address this issue of water scarcity in South Africa. Let us now discuss some background on South African environmental landscape. We know that South Africa's diverse geography and climate range from arid desert to lush wasteland. The South Africa's natural resources include including water, for example. It's very critical to the country's economy and biodiversity. The environmental challenges exacerbated by climate change and human activities threaten sustainability. Let us now discuss on the water scarcity in South Africa. The water scarcity in South Africa is a critical issue, and it is driven by factors such as prolonged drought, climate change, and overuse of resources. Many regions in South Africa faces declining water levels in dams and rivers, leading to severe water restrictions. Urbanization and agriculture also demand further straight water resources. What is the impact of water scarcity? The agriculture suffers from reduced crop yields and livestock losses, impacting food security. The economy implications include reduced industrial output and increased cost for water. We have also human health, which is at risk due to limited access to clean water, leading to poor sanitation and waterborne disease. For example, the Day Zero crisis in Cape Town highlighted the severity of the water scarcity. Let us now discuss on the water pollution. As we are discussing on the environmental issues in South Africa, water resources is water pollution is another significant issue stemming from industrial discharge, sewage, and mining activities. The major pollutants include, for example, we have heavy metals, chemicals, and pathogens that contaminate water bodies. There are some key affected areas. For example, we have Val River, Crocodiles River, and other vital water sources. So the water pollution has some consequences. The water pollution consequences on the health risk. For example, we have contaminated water leads to the spread of diseases like cholera and dysentery. Another consequences of water pollution is the economy impact. The cost of treating polluted water is high, and tourism suffers as natural water bodies degrade. Another consequences we have to look at on environmental damage. There we see the aquatic ecosystems are disrupted, leading to loss of biodiversity and habitat destructions. What are now the government and policy responses regarding this issue? The Natural Water Act of 1998 aims, aims to manage water resources sustainably and equitably. Some of the efforts include like improving water infrastructure, monitoring pollution, and enforcing regulations. But challenges remain in the enforcement of laws and the management of resources across diverse regions. So, these are some solutions and recommendations that I'm providing for this issue. The first one, we have to implement sustainable water management practices such as rainwater harvesting and efficient irrigation. We need to strengthen pollution prevention measures and enforce stricter regulations on industrial waste disposal. We need also to engage the communities in water conservation efforts and educate the public on on the importance of preserving water resources. In conclusion, we said on the summary side, we say water scarcity and pollution are critical challenges for South Africa, with far reaching impact on the economy, health, and environment. Addressing these issues require collective action from individuals, community, and government entities to ensure a sustainable future. Call to action. Each of us has a role to play and has a role to play in conserving water and protecting our environment because we say together we can make a difference. Thank you very much for your attention.